Here's how to remove the hood on the older John Deere garden tractors. You can see this style does not just lift and pull right up like the more modern ones. It's a little more complicated, but here's how to do it. So you're going to want to lift the hood up as far as it goes, and then come right in here and unplug your headlight connector right there. Then you're going to have 4 13mm bolts to remove. You're going to have one right there, and one right on the opposite side in the same spot, right there. Then you're going to have 2 more, one right there coming up from the bottom, and another one right over there. And then you just take your hood, grab it firmly, and just slide it right forward and off. And the whole hood and bumper assembly will come right off, just like that. So that's how to remove the hood on the older style John Deere garden tractors. Thanks for watching.